Welcome to Civil Skills Academy. In this video, we will discuss about how to edit surface data. So basically, we will discuss three things. The first would be identify and how to resolve those errors in surface, and next would be repair crossing break lines and to add or remove point from surface. The first one would be to identify any errors. If there are any errors in your surface, you need to identify that. If there are no errors, you can simply skip this part. So first, how we're gonna identify if there are any errors is first you're gonna select. First, you're gonna go to your and to identify those errors. First, you need to go to your tool space. You need to go to your surfaces. Select your existing surface. Right click on that, and you need to rebuild your surface. Let me just turn off this. You need to rebuild the surface. If there are any errors, the event viewer which will show all the errors in the surface. In this case, in my case, there are no errors, so that's why it is not popping up. If there are any errors in your surface, you can identify by rebuilding the surface. Event viewer will show all the errors with description. You can resolve accordingly. And next, we will discuss about how to repair crossing break lines. If there are any break lines which are crossing one another, you can simply resolve to get an accurate surface, because this is one of the most common error in the surface that we face. So to resolve that, you need to first select your surface, and you will get an option of resolve crossing break lines. You need to click on that, and it will ask you to whether you want to go with survey database, figure, or surface. In this case, we have surface, so I'm going to go with surface. So it will show like there are no crossing break lines. In my case, there are no crossing break lines. If there are any, it will show you the details, and you can simply resolve those crossing break lines accordingly. And the next one would be add or remove points. In this case, we have created a surface by using this point group. So if you want to add or remove point group from surface, you can simply do that. Let me simply select a point, right click, and you will get a point group properties. Click on that, and you can go exclude option. If you want to exclude any specific point, you can simply click on this, and you can simply type in the number which you want to exclude, or you can simply just select it in the drawing. So I'm gonna go with this point for now, just for example. I'm gonna click enter. If you want to add even more points, simply add a comma and write the numbers, etc., etc. And if you want to add a range, you can simply use a hyphen. So this is how you can exclude the point from your surface. And to reflect the changes, you need to rebuild your surface. So this is how you exclude point from your surface. And to add those point back to surface, you can simply use the include. And to add those point back to surface, you can simply use the include option from point group properties. You can simply use this include point, and you can type in those point number. So that's how you can add or remove the point from your surface. So I hope you understood. In the next coming videos, we will further discuss about how to edit surface. So that's it for today's video. We will meet again in the new video. So thank you for watching.